What's up YouTube? Welcome to the first video of the What's Next channel. We ride e-bikes in Atlanta. I'm going to be riding e-bikes all over town. I only have the one e-bike right now. But today's mission, we're going to try to find something cool to look at. We're trying to sightsee in Atlanta. So I'm going to take us down to the BeltLine via Piedmont Park. And we're going to hope that we could see something cool. So let's check it out. All right, what's going on? What's going on? Going for a ride. Check this out. Just like, that's pretty sick. What is this place? Henry's Tequila. Oh, it's a bar. It's a bar. You can get litty. This is sick. Joe and Jack. That is pretty sick. Pride of Midtown. Doesn't look like much from the front. It's probably why I've never seen it, but that side view is pretty sick. So that's kind of what we're looking for here today. We're looking for cool art, cool murals, some wacky people, anything interesting really. It's almost 4 p.m. on a Wednesday, so Atlanta's, traffic's firing up right now. All right, here we go. Yeah, so I'll hit this jump real quick. Ooh! Yeah, so what? Why am I getting wet? Alright, so what I'm trying to say is I want to welcome everyone to the channel. I've made videos, YouTube videos before. This isn't my first time. I'm not going to say if they were good or not in the past. But yeah, I don't really care about being a YouTuber, anything like that. I'm just here to ride the bike, make some videos, maybe catch some shots. And yeah, that's all I really care about. I'm also hoping, so when I first got this bike, I didn't really know about Surons. I didn't really know about e-bikes in general like that. I don't think there was that many options. There wasn't that much marketing around them, and I feel like the hype has really picked up around them. And I've had this e-bike. It's an electric bike company, Model X, for about 4 years, I believe I've had it. Maybe like 3.5, 4 years, something like that. And yeah, there just wasn't many options. Now I kick myself a little bit for not waiting, because I kind of want a Suron now. Those are pretty sick. I don't really even know what I'm getting into when it comes to a Suron, but yeah, I've never ridden an e-moto. I've ridden a motorcycle a couple times in my life, but yeah. So really, it would be sick if we can get this channel up and start review. I mean, I bet you there's like a ton of review and unboxing videos on Surons. I already know all that exists, but I kind of want one for myself. I'm gonna hit this bike lane right here. All right. Now we in the bike lane. We're gonna take it easy. I'm not trying to. We just got off of work. Oh, there's a Waymo right there. Look at that. That's pretty sick. Alright, yeah, so we're just about at Piedmont Park. We're going to hang a left right here. That'll get us into Piedmont Park. There's a bunch of entrances, but I'm going to use this one. Just get us in there. Oh shoot, there's like an event going on. They're setting up or breaking something down. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at all this, dude. There's a lot going on down here today. I rode through here yesterday and none of this was here. Yeah, they be changing it up in here all the time. Like every weekend it's different. It is Darad Kabit. Darad Kabit. It's a lot of activity in here. They're setting up for some kind of event. It's Wednesday today, so they're setting up for the weekend. There's like some kind of little party going on over here. Pretty cool. So yeah, it's like always events happening down here. I'm gonna turn because I want to get a better view of what that was, or like what they're setting up for. Let's see if I can make this little curve right here. Yep. Look at that view. What's down there? Oh, that's just the park. I'm like above the park now. Alright, let's get out of here. Should I go down there? Oh, it's like gated and shit. I don't know if I want to go down there, man. What is this? Let's just stop. Oh, is it a neighborhood? Alright, I think I made a wrong turn. I don't think I should have went through there. Take a look at a map real quick. Alright folks, we're back. Made a wrong turn. I shouldn't have gone through this gate. I did. I regret it. And I'm just going to take us back to Piedmont Park. No botanical garden entry. See, that's that little BeltLine down there. We're going to get on that. Oh, my brakes are hella squeaky right now. Why they're squeaking. Alright, so we could talk about this bike a little bit. Alright, I just wanted to pass those people. Oh my god, look at these little baby ducks. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I gotta stop and record this on my phone, man. Oh my god. That's so funny. Look at these little duckies. There's the little babies over there. Little baby duckies. Oh my god. Or are these ducks? Oh my god, how cute. What are they eating over here? Oh my god, how cute are they? Oh my god. Alright, so yeah. gonna do a little lap, roll around a little bit. Okay, so actually I was in the middle of, I was about to start telling you about this bike until I saw those baby duckies. Alright, I don't know if I want to go this way. Man, it's busy here today. It is busy here today. Okay, so this is a Model X by Electric Bike Company. It has one rear hub motor, 750 watts. Man, I can't go down that way either. Alright, let's just try to hit the BeltLine, man. It's ridiculous. Rear hub motor, 750 watt. I went with the extended range battery, so someone who weighs, I think it was like 165 or something. I think someone who weighs 165 can get like 85 miles of range on this battery, which I'd say is like a pretty freaking decent. But I don't weigh 165. I wish I weighed close to that. I'm gonna cross over you. Thanks, man. Yeah, so I weigh about 235. Why do you think I'm out here on the bike, huh? So yeah, that's another thing. Back to my specs, but with the Sur-On, you don't pedal, you just haul ass, which I totally respect. But I work an office job. I just got off of work and I need a pedal, man. I've been sitting all day. I had a donut today. All right, we're trying to make it onto the BeltLine. We got to cross here. I might cut this. Oh, that guy's going. All right, it's green. And we're on the BeltLine. Oh, look at this artwork. Four-legged foodie. Bark Bistro. It's like dog food. Arden's Garden. That's cool. Oh, that's cool. Alright. So yeah, this is kind of what I wanted this video to be about today. It's like, look at this artwork, dude. I don't really know about the graffiti. I don't know if I like that too much on top of like what seems like it was a really sick mural. Yeah, like this is sick, dude. Let's see what this side is. To get 5 big booms. That's what it says over there. Yeah, so I've never been good at art, but I can appreciate it. I can't draw nothing. I'm horrible. I don't know what colors go together. But I'll tell you if it looks good or not. And so far, this looks pretty cool. This is sweet. I like these ones at the end. These are kind of creepy. These, yeah, these are pretty. It's like a vampire and a clown. That's sick. All right, let's keep going. See what else we find. Yeah, so I actually ripped it down here. The athletes. It's funny. Oh, there's a Trader Joe's over here too. I need to remember that. I ripped it down. We're on now the BeltLine. kind of enjoy the scenery, because sometimes when you ride too fast, you can like miss a lot. Like I've driven through that tunnel like 5 or 6 times now, and I never just stopped to appreciate it. Around these people. Oh, that was super sketchy, but I just did it into that chick walking. View of the city out there. Let's see. We gotta go check that building out, dude. Hang on. Yeah, see? Now this is the type of stuff I'm talking about. That's really cool. That's sick. Oh man, look at how that thank you sign looks neon. Moxie. That's sick, dude. Oh, there's more. Trespassing China. No, dude, that's pretty cool. Sour. Let's say sour. I don't know. That was pretty cool. But there's another building that also looks sick. I just slammed on it because I saw a bike coming. Is that a little pathway? Oh shit, it totally was a pathway. That's a sick building. Hang on a sec, hang on a sec. Oh man, this is sketchy. Dang, I got stuck. Ugh. Look at this building. Wow, that's sick. Gym. That's sick. Let's see if there's anything on the front. See, so I've never been the biggest fan of Atlanta, but I can appreciate cool art when you see it.
Cross here. Yeah,
there's another cool mural, man. This is like just a street of cool murals. Alright, let's get back on the BeltLine, see if we see anything else. Let's see if I can get on there from here. I think I saw a path over here earlier. Oh my god. Alright, hang on. Alright. And then more. Oh, lame commercial. Made to be a mural. Lame. Don't want to see that. Put commercials anywhere these days. Oh, look at that bear. On City Market in Atlanta. It's like a big football. Yeah, that bear's pretty sick. Yes, that cylindrical building, that's the Westin W in Atlanta. They have a restaurant up top called the Sundial. It used to spin. And there was an accident up there and it no longer spins. Alright, let's see what else we got. What else can we find? I'm kind of thirsty, dude. Kind of wish I got one of those juices. I think it would be pretty cool if they had like vendors on the side of the sides out here. Now I don't hang out here that much. I'm pretty new to this whole area, so I don't really know where I'm at typically when I come on here. Look at the architecture here. It's sweet. Down here. Oh wow. That's sick. And all I see is like a parking deck around here. These office buildings, that's awesome. Get out of here. What's that sound?
I'm like, I was going with her.
I thought that was my bike for a second. Oh my god. Trip out. About to trip out. I heard that weird like electrical sound coming from that restaurant. I thought that was me. I was like, my bike's about to explode. Oh, this is cool. It used to be like a whole train track. It's like, I don't know, I might be making that up. That's what it looked like to me. You are here. Skate park. I'll check the skate park out some other time. Seems kind of cool right now. Yeah, so I just got off of work and I have a backpack on my cargo rack on my bike. So I don't want to do anything. I don't want to be jumping around too much or sending it too hard. Oh, I see another tunnel coming up. I think there might be like more art to look at. Oh, sick. That is awesome. I like that bald man crying, I guess. This is sick, dude. Little biker gang came out of nowhere. Alright. We'll try to see the other angle. Yeah, that's sweet, dude.
Man, I'm telling you, once you
So I had here.
Oh, it's kind of nice being in the shade. I'm wearing all black today. Whew. Get a little break from that sun. It's a nice day though.
Oh yeah.
Really nice day. Dude, Wolfgang Bakery and Grooming. Walking Margs. Oh, that sounds good. Oh, check out that mural up there. The eyes, that's sick. And then I passed this place recently and I think it's awesome. Best Up Kickboxing. Shout out to them, that's sick. This direction, which I have no clue what it is. But I know where I'm going. You gotta watch out because these cars will pull out on you. Out of the parking garages in downtown. We just hit 25 down that hill. Alright, like where we're headed, we're about to hit the thick of it. Probably gonna be a lot of people out. Pretty active, so. Man, why is there so much glass on the floor, dude? I'm a street sweeper. Glass everywhere, man. Yeah, so little, I guess, am I happy with this bike after all? I'd say for the pedal assist, yes. Definitely glad I have pedal assist because I like getting that exercise in when I can. Fun way of doing it. Do I like other bikes? Do I look at other bikes all the time? I think there's a couple on the list that are, if anything, way out of my league as far as experience and price goes. But they look sweet and they look really fun. So it's just different, like pedal assist, I'm getting exercise here. I can't go like super crazy fast or anything like that. I can't like just like pull out. Like right here, I'm at full throttle, and this is me going at full throttle, and I'm pedaling. But it does help to go faster if you pedal. It definitely boosts you. Like pedaling definitely boosts you on this bike. It's like the rarest of occasion I'll catch a green light right here. So again, full throttle, and I'm like hardly going, but also I weigh 235 pounds. I don't know who's honking at who, but get on the sidewalk. I don't feel like being on the road right now. It's just like a different kind of pressure you got to have in your mind. I feel like chilling. No, just got off of work, and this is like my relaxing activity that I get to do. Yeah, so I actually don't know my way around here. We're gonna kind of figure it out together. I don't see no one coming. Thank you, man. I think I need to go that way, though. I need to go that way, huh? That's where that, Ferris wheel is at. That's where we're headed to. I don't really know, honestly. He stalled out. It's a one-way out cross. Look at that Ferris wheel, pretty sick. I don't know if you guys can see it at that angle. I'm gonna get closer to it. Man, it's a windy one today. All these names are on the ground mean something. Is that all the people that like died or something? This is awesome, dude. Every one of these bricks has a name on it. All right, well, not here, but like up there, all the bricks had names on them. Every one I just rode over. Oh, and these two coming up. Yeah, all of these bricks have names like carved into them. RIP to those people. These are probably all the victims. Wonder wonder what this 124 on the ground means.
There's any ever known the highs and lows.
There's the Olympics like logo, and there's that Ferris wheel I was talking about. It's pretty sick. Awesome view. And then earlier we saw the West End right here. I was pointing it out from the BeltLine, and that's it right there. So we made it all the way over here. There's a College Football Hall of Fame up here, which I don't actually care too much about. I'm not into college football at all. So yeah, folks, I think I'm gonna end the video here. All right, y'all. Here goes my first outro for this channel. We started off in Midtown. We hit Piedmont Park. We hit the BeltLine. We made it all the way over to Centennial, Olympic Park. That's where we're at now. Thanks for watching. If you have any more suggestions, you want to see some other places, let me know. Comment down below. I'm going to keep making these videos just because I like to do it, and you'll be seeing me out here. Peace out.